Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's your girl here, Echo Jane, and on this channel I bring to you lifestyle, DIY and motherhood content. So if you like videos like this, please do consider subscribing. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please and please help my small business to grow. Subscribe, turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know the type of videos you might want to watch next. If you have a specific video, you can leave it down in the comment section and I'll get to it later on. So let's go into today's video. So in today's video, we are going to be, obviously you can see that my hair is looking tattered. So in today's video, out of gel, so I decided to try a naturally homemade gel. Can you guess the type of gel I'm talking about? You will love it. It's made from chia seed, all natural, no chemical added. So let's see how it's going to come out after we have applied it and compare it to what we get from our grocery stores. Let's see if this naturally made gel is going to give us the points I am looking for. Okay, so here is it. So I made this gel from chia seed. You get to see the process, how I made it later. It's very easy to make and it's all natural. So let's go into it. Let's see the outcome of this gel. So in today's video, I'm doing a DIY hair gel using chia seed. So I'll be needing my chia seed and my measuring cup, my applicator bottle, a blender. We're not actually blending this. We're only going to use the pulse to separate the gel from the chia seed. I'll need a water and then the vitamin E oil, olive oil, and your wig cap or a cheesecloth that you know it's very tiny to get your gel out. I'll be measuring approximately 200 milliliter of chia seed. I'll just put it directly into my blender and soak it there with water. This is 1 cup. Then I'll be needing 3 cups of water because the chia seed, once you soak it, is going to soak up all the water. Therefore, I'm using 3 cups. So now I'm going to soak it for 30 minutes in here before I now use the pulse to separate the gel from the seed. So for chia seed, it doesn't take long before you start seeing the gel forming. With this chia seed, you don't need heat. I'm separating the chia seed from each other. The gel is already forming. So in 30 minutes time, we'll come back and separate it. So it's been 30 minutes now. Let's separate the gel from the seed so that it will be easier for the gel to come out of the sieve. So we don't want the seed to blend. That's why I'm using the pulse function and not leaving it for so long. So it's time to squeeze out our gel from the seed. So while we do that, let's look at the benefits that this chia seed offers. So if you ever wished for a magical solution to grow thick, luscious hair, well then, look no further because these chia seeds might just be the answer you've been searching for. These teeny powerhouse seeds have gained popularity in the
health and wellness world for their numerous benefits, and one of them happens to be promoting hair growth. So put away all your expensive products and let's see how chia seeds can help achieve the long, beautiful locks you've always dreamed of. Chia seeds have gained popularity in recent times due to their numerous health benefits, and one of the claims often associated with chia seed is their ability to contribute to hair growth. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients such as protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. These nutrients are vital for maintaining healthy hair follicles and also promoting hair growth. Protein is the building block of hair, and a deficiency in protein can lead to weak and brittle hair. By consuming chia seeds, you can ensure that your body has adequate amount of protein to support hair growth and strength. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including those responsible for hair growth. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants contribute to the overall health of the hair and promote its growth. So, to incorporate chia seeds into your diet for hair growth, you can add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or sprinkle them on top of salads. It is recommended to consume around 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day to reap the benefits of these chia seeds.
So I just washed my hair. My hair is almost dried up. I don't know why my hair dries up so fast. So this hair, to get this going, we'll be doing it in section. One thing you should not do is wear rings when you are working with your hair, because your hair will get tangled up in the ring and it will break off. So keep it aside. I didn't actually detangle this hair, so I hope it's not going to give me a tough time, but I'm sure the gel itself would loosen up the hair. I think I might need to get it away, if not. So let's try this and see. So guys, this side I did not use the brush. Would you prefer this, or where I use the brush and the hair shrinks back? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Please, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, turn on the post notification button, and leave a comment down below. So which would you prefer, the brush or the fingers? For me, actually I prefer the finger, because my hair didn't shrink much and the coils are more defined than using the comb. Not really, the coils are defined at the tips and also they shrink back, while the fingers just left like that, they did not shrink back as much, although they still shrink, but not as much as my right hand side. So I'm going to use only my hands on this side. Let's compare them and see.
Could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon.
What do you think? This or this? I might use my fingers to get this side to be this side so that it will be uniform after the video. So is it a nay or a ye? Would you try this gel at home? Please leave your comments in the comment section. Let's discuss. Which one would you prefer? Would you go to the supermarket to get your gel, or would you prefer to do your own natural gel with ingredients that you know that they don't have any chemicals in it, just chia seed and a little bit of oil? I mixed vitamin E oil and olive oil in it. So would you try it? Would you go for it? Normally I don't really like using heat on my hair these days because of the damage it has done to my hair, but I want to reduce the wetness of the hair a little before I leave it to naturally dry. So I'm going to be using my diffuser to dry the hair. I'll be using low heat setting to diffuse the hair. So guys, here is the final outcome. What do you think of this? Although it's not completely dry under the roots, I use the diffuser to dry it a little bit. The wetness is gone. It's a bit crunchy but not so much. I love it. I love the feel of it, and the oil I used in it, I can feel it. I'm glad I did add the oil because it's moisturized it. Although chia seed has moisturizing properties, but the oil also would enhance it and keep it much more moisturized. Did you like the look? Because I am loving this. I am seriously loving this. I would choose this every time than the ready-made where they have chemicals and all other ingredients that I don't know about in it. I prefer what I know I am putting on my hair and my scalp after I've had a lot of hair issues with relaxers, heat, and so on and so forth. So I am loving my natural look, guys, and I urge you to give it a try. I bet you will not regret it. Maybe it's because my hair is a little bit manageable, I don't know, but I am loving my natural hair journey. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So until I come your way next time, it's your girl Eko Jenny signing off. Bye bye. Love you.